Action.
It's gonna be a fun car ride.
I can't wait to make some yummies.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I know that, but like, does the car ride really have to take like so long?
Are we lost?
No, we're not. We're so close to the campsite.
Are you sure?
Yes! You're the one who's driving the thing.
No, I'm not. I'm sitting in the back seat. Lady.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were your sister. We're here.
We're at the campsite.
Time to get out. Ooh, yummy. I'm gonna go inside of my tent. I don't fit in my tent. Come on, as if baby. Come on. Come on, you baby. My shoe fell off.
I'll go in my tent with my baby sister. Oh no, my head is backwards.
Yeah. Okay, now you go take a nap and I'll get everything ready.
Oh, girls. I think we should make it some s'mores. Wake up.
We'll do that when it is dark out.
It already is.
Girl, it's super dark. The moon's up now.
Let's make some s'mores.
Okay, well then where's our s'more stick?
Wait here.
Right there,
Okay,
girl.
okay, first let me just ask you, what do you think of my hair, my unicorn horn?
Oh, my goodness. I was wondering what you did to your hair, girl. It look good.
Thank you.
I got my marshmallow.
I'll light this up, okay, girl?
Don't get my LOL doll away from that. I'm scared. It's not.
I'm really good with starting fires. All right, let's go ahead and cook our stuff.
Okay. It's
Oh,
going.
no.
I'll cook it.
All right.
I think I'll pass. I don't feel
I'll
too
put
good.
this.
Ah, it's on fire!
Put this more on here now.
It's on fire. Is it hot?
Oh, that look good.
Hey, don't make your smoke catch on. Ah! It keeps on catching on
You
fire.
gotta remember to put your chocolate on it.
Move the LOLs. Oh my gosh.
Uh-oh, I think our campsite's catching on fire. Oh, run. Oh, no. The camp's on fire, girl. Oh, run. Oh, no. Help.